What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're going to be diving more into what the hell is going on with my car. I had some people reach out to me through Instagram telling me something. I was like, okay, but that doesn't explain anything, because if you guys didn't catch the last video, what I was talking about, this has capped off, right? The brake booster has literally nothing to do with why my car sounds the way it's sounding, my evap codes. It has nothing. I don't know how I got the correlation that a brake booster has anything to do with evap. It does not. This is literally for the pressure and modulation of brakes. If you don't have the brake booster setup, you're gonna have stiff ass brakes. You shouldn't have, your car shouldn't be running weird, yada 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 yada. So I had this venting in the atmosphere, which is actually normal. You can do that. You can vent out to the atmosphere. I also read that it needs to pull a vacuum source so it can relieve of the excess gases from the charcoal canister or the big ass black thing underneath the car in the back. All right, I read that too. But what I did was, this plug goes to the sensor that I removed. If you have Flash Pro and you disable it, which mine already was disabled, removing this will not throw a code. So that's where I'm so stuck. Like, how the hell am I throwing a code? So what I did, I woke up earlier, I removed the spark plugs and the coil packs, and to my surprise, this is my spark plug. So this was in cylinder 2. It was actually wet, like it had water type things. I don't know what the hell, it was just a wet spark plug, which is mad weird. These are NGK iridiums, not the part number I usually go with. These are IFR 7611KS. I usually use the B card, the 6988 is the part number I use, but this was just mad weird. And then where is the coil pack I took out? I think it probably already dried. I took out cylinder 2 and it was like weird. It's 1, 2. Was it this one? I think it was this one. Yeah, this one I believe was cylinder 2. I smell it. I smell oil and gas. So it leads to me believe something isn't performing how it should up here. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the gasket on my spark plug tube seals, on the valve cover gasket, is probably bad. I was waiting to replace my valve cover with the one I got from D&H, but I have yet to receive it, so I haven't done the obligatory thing of replacing the valve cover gasket. But it looks like I might have to do that today anyways, and just have to do it whenever I get the new valve cover gasket in. But yeah, this is mad weird. So right now, me and Baby Boo is on the way to get some lunch, and then we'll probably stop by the parts store, pick up some spark plugs. Coil packs might be decent, but I think Randy has an extra set of spark plugs. I mean, coil packs that he'll probably like let me use the test. I should have probably put these spark plugs in there and tested them, like see which one has the misfire, because as you've seen in the video, it did, however, not throw a misfire code, but it was misfiring. Like obviously it was a dead miss. You can hear it, but I wasn't throwing codes for it. I didn't have no knot count. It was like mad weird. So I'm like, what is going on? And all that happened as soon as I removed the evap stuff. Then I got a code from my throttle body that I'm having higher of a rev. It was now idling, higher of an idle, sorry. It was now idling at 1200, and it normally idles at 1000 because it was a base map. It was set by Hobby to idle at 1000. Because I have 1000 cc injector, so the bigger injector is more fuel it needs to have a consistent steady idle. So I'm not entirely too sure what the hell happened. I'm not having a vacuum leak due to my brake booster being open. That's not what I'm having. That doesn't make no sense. Not entirely too sure what the hell is going on. I guess we're just gonna figure that out as we proceed along with today. I'll probably have Randy stop by later and we'll probably do some troubleshooting and things of that nature. But yeah, that's just a quick little update for now. I'll see what's up, and well, right now. Right, so it's next day. Picked up a valve cover gasket, picked up some iridiums, the OEM part number spark plugs 6988. These are the BK R7EIX-11s. This is what a 140,000 mile engine looks like. 145,000. Not as frequent of oil changes I would like to see on this thing for being such, considered what a low mileage Honda is. Valve cover gasket is on, spark plug tube seals is on, ultra grade permatex. Just picked this up from Advanced Auto. I never knew what these seals were. I thought these were like universal seals. lo and behold, they go to the coil packs. I've honestly never knew that. Gonna replace these. These are OEM coil packs that I received from Randy. Shout out to my dog Rand Lizzle, because I'm pretty sure that one is toast. I didn't even check the seals on these things. Wait, I don't think, hold on. These aren't gonna work. Look how small that is. That's not gonna work for that. Damn, I'm gonna have to get different coil packs. God damn it. Hey, you see the difference. Spark plugs are in. Yes sir. Valve cover is still clapped. I'm still waiting on my valve cover. Got all the new stuff in. Gotta put the dipstick back in. Where the hell I put the dipstick? Hold on. Let's make sure I wipe this clean. Ain't trying to have no issues on that. There we go. Okay. I kinda don't want to put these coil packs in there because they look a bit dusty. Alright, everything is situated up top. I'm running the old coil packs. Let's see if she is at least solidified. A little quick test drive to see how she acts. Clutch feel good, don't it? Yeah, I know, bro. Clutch feels solid.
Garbage ass delay valve.
Yeah, that delay valve, booty cheeks. Driving around the car seems to be doing good. All I did was replace the spark plugs. What the fuck is that?
Did you put the valve cover, the spark plug gas cover on?
No.
And that was it.
And you know what? It just fell off all the bolts.
Fucking Percy, dog.
Bruh.
Terrible, dog. What the fuck?
Mine is a bad thing to waste, bruh. At least I got all my bolts. Yeah, my bolt's terrible. Last time I was in Randy's car, he keeps saying I broke his CMC. Ain't my fault you're running that old ass 2000. Now that's fixed. He got the hybrid stuff. On our way to Fred's house to yeah, just go terrorize his ass for being a bitch. Y'all know the vibes.
I didn't even shoot it.
Is Randy fast? Yeah. Nope. Pick your poison. DC5. EG. Oh, turbo K20. Which one you choose? Man, that shit fresh. Look, I got tire letters. You upgrading the motors or something?
Doing it. I am.
If y'all need y'all drones tuned, y'all gotta hit up Fred Tune. I came over to Fred to pick up my S1 all-wheel drive kit. Hey man, Fred looked out for me, bro. He won it on for raffle, and he selling it to me for raffle price. I was like, damn, thank you, bruh. So I just picked up all this for $40. Y'all be sure to follow Fred and say thank you to Fred, bruh. I really appreciate it. We're finna go all-wheel drive on the Civic, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm coming back tomorrow to pick up the gearbox for $200. So yeah, y'all know how we doing around here, man. You know, all-wheel drive the truth, bruh. So that's what we doing.
You got COVID, man. You sick.
I got COVID because I'm sick. I am a little congested in the throat. Pause. So we is back home. The Civic seems to be fixed for the most part, I guess. As far as my issue that I had prior was the vent for the evap stuff. Seems to be good. There's no code for it yet. I have my battery disconnected to do a ECU reset. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on. You can do the ECU idle throttle body relearn, or you can just unplug your battery for 15 minutes. And yeah, that's what I did. So that should be good now. Just gotta turn the car on, let it idle and stuff. As far as my brake booster setup is concerned, I still gotta buy the 3/8 hose. I'm just probably order it online. Probably do like an AN hose. I'm gonna probably do AN lines for all this stuff. This is probably like a dash. This would be like a -4. That's definitely a -6. And this would be like a -8 because this is huge. But I'm just gonna keep that there or just vent it off. Cap that. And then yeah, I probably honestly do that. Just vent this off and just cap this so I have no hoses right there. For the most part, the car seems to be fixed. Fresh valve cover gasket, no oil leaks anymore, thank God. Everything is securely tightened, and yeah, I think we're good, bro. Look what we got in the mail today. Why am I focused on this camera, on this lens? It's not that good, but I don't know if you guys can read that. We got a Progress rear sway bar, 24 millimeters. We're gonna be installing this on the channel soon, maybe next video or something like that. I got a lot of stuff in the mail today that we're gonna be doing. Thing I need to do the TLS Brembo upgrade. I got my wheel bearings, I got my extended wheel studs, and I also got my brake master cylinder. So that's gonna be done fairly soon. I just gotta take off the spindles, get new ball joints. Oh damn, I got a lot more stuff. Well, ball joints. I love how easy it is to do the ball joints on the Civic because you don't have to press anything out. It's just literally 3 bolts and that's it. I gotta get inner and outer tie rods for that thing. But that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I fixed the car, I think. I'm pretty sure it's somewhat fixed. No issues. That girl that you guys can't see right there got me a KevTech hood. Pause. She got a bonnet for the Kira, so that's coming in the mail in about a week. And then we get my parts back from Chris tomorrow so we can proceed on what we're gonna do with the car. There's so much fun and great stuff happening here shortly. So stay tuned, maybe I go daily upload for a couple of days. I don't know, we'll see. I may gotta stretch out a little content. I don't know, we'll see. I'm trying to upload daily on the gaming channel of GT7 content. So if you wanna go over there, watch some Gran Turismo 7 content, link down below to the gaming channel. Subscribe, follow, buy merch. Yeah, I just released the new race team shirts. As you said in the intro, most of them are sold out, which is like my most successful, probably my second most successful launch I've ever did. So I'm really appreciative and thankful for that. So thank you. I'll probably do race team hoodies if that be something you guys would be interested in. Follow Zosh on Instagram for that poll. I'll probably post that tomorrow or something. But yeah, your input actually helps. Let me know what y'all love. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. If you didn't like the video, dislike the video. I'm brown. Thank y'all for watching the video. I appreciate it. And that's gonna be it for this one. Leave my boy alone. My poor Chosen getting beat up all these cat bitches around here. It's alright, Chosen, I got you, bruh. He put a hole in one of the cat's heads already. That's why my dog. Oh, he finna do it. He finna put a hole in the head again. Here we go.
Babe, don't let them.
Why they keep messing with him?
He messes with them too.
No, he don't. My dog just be chilling. But I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.
Peace.
Peace.
Bye.
Mm-hmm.